day, Ma'am Palma. My name is Judy Anlaslas. My nickname is Juday and I am 20 years old and I live in Hinapulanbuak, Marinduque. I am a BSBA HRM 3A. My hobbies are doing uh, TikTok dance and playing a volleyball. My personal strengths are being responsible and hardworking. So, at first, I wasn't sure about taking a human resource management because my parents wanted me to become a teacher. So, I don't have a choice. So, I took BSBA major in human resource management. And now, I'm more interested in learning and knowing more about human resource management. And I'm interested in pursuing a career as a recruitment specialist in human resource management. I enjoy connecting with people and understanding their strength, so helping companies and find the right talent and helping individuals find the right job. I also want to explore rules related to employee engagement and development. Where can I contribute to building a positive workplace and help others grow in their careers? And I believe HR plays a big role in creating a positive workplace, helping employees grow and making sure a company runs smoothly. And someday I want to be part of that, to support both the people and the business. I hope to gain a deep understanding of how organizations manage people effectively. So, through this program, I expect to improve my skills in communication, conflict management, and organizational leadership. I hope to apply these skills and knowledge towards contributing to the creation of a productive and positive workplace. I will strive to apply the knowledge gained through my training to improve employee engagement and satisfaction, promote organizational fairness, and help the organization achieve its objectives. So, my motto in life is success doesn't come from what you do occasionally, it comes from what you do consistently. To my classmates, let's do our best and support each other. This is just the beginning of a great journey ahead. And to our instructor, your patience and passion made more difference than you know. Keep inspiring, we're lucky to have you.